Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news to share with you. As many of you are eagerly waiting for the updates on the Accenture exam slot selection process 2023, well, we have some great news. Accenture has started sending out exam slot mails to all the eligible candidates. The exam slot selection mails are sent to candidates who have successfully cleared the initial round, that is application screening process, and have been shortlisted to proceed to the next stage of the recruitment process. Now we will discuss the exam pattern for the Accenture. The exam pattern for Packaged Application Development Associate and ASC role are same. Accenture recruitment process contains 4 stages like cognitive and technical assessment, coding ability, communication assessment round. Communication assessment round is a non-elimination round, but it is mandatory to attempt, and at last technical interview or HR interview. The first round consists of cognitive ability and technical assessment, and the topics included in this round are English ability, critical reasoning and problem solving, abstract reasoning, which comes under the cognitive ability, and the number of questions are 50 and duration is also 50 minutes. Next is the technical assessment. Common application and MS Office related questions, pseudocodes, fundamentals of networking security and cloud questions are included in technical assessment. The number of questions are 40 and the duration of time is also 40. And coming to the second round, which is the coding round, and we can code in either C, C++, Java, Python, .NET, and we have 45 minutes to solve the 2 coding questions. And the third round is the communication round. As I mentioned earlier that this is not elimination round, but it is mandatory to give, and the duration of the communication round is 20 minutes, and after communication round there will be a technical interview or HR interview. Well, that's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Vikas YouTube channel.